I never really been like I don't really care for numbers that much. What I care more about is the support for that I get from all you guys. That means so much more than just a random number. But I just thought I'd drop by, say hello, and really say thank you. It means a lot to me. I love making these videos, and you guys are my main motivation of wanting to make these videos. So yeah, thanks again. This is just a quick thank you video. Hope you have a nice evening, day, morning, or whatever. And this is PewDiePie signing up.
I fight with everything I've got to overcome those weaknesses and those shortfalls and those flaws, as I strive to be just a little bit better today than I was yesterday.
When you follow up a dream with real action, well then nothing can stop you, nothing can get in your way, nothing can really take you from your goal. And absolutely nobody can take away your goal from you other than yourself. It's when you don't follow through, it's when you don't do the things that you said you would do, that other people start to disappear and fail too.
And when it comes to where I want to exude my efforts and energy in life, it's on something that I want to make sure is true to my own mission and my own goals. So working for myself is something I take very seriously. And everybody I work with are people who in some capacity share a similar vision. So really it's this whole like be your own boss. It's like if you're in the right place, there is no boss. It becomes a collaborative effort by a group of individuals that share a mutual ambition. And that's how I like to think of everything that I've done since I quit my last job, whatever it was, 14 years ago.
If you guys want to do anything, set a goal in your mind and chase that fucking goal. No matter who tells you you can't do it, no matter who makes fun of you, no matter who tries to stop you from accomplishing that goal. Like I'm showing you guys right now that dreams can come true.
You've got to believe in yourself. You've got to believe in your abilities. You've got to believe in your service, your company, your ideas. Unquestionably, you must have faith. It's hard, yes, it's hard. It's difficult, yes, right, and it's worth it.
My mom's upstairs. I mean, she's making food, but she's upstairs. She's sitting at home. You know, she's not working because of me fucking playing the video game, you know? Like, just for me doing this, it turned into something big like that.
It was my dream. It was my goal. I don't expect you to believe in my dream like I believe in my dream. And the problem with some of y'all is you want somebody else to support your dream. It's yours. I don't owe you a dime. It's your dream. If you want it to happen, get your butt up and make it happen. If you want it to happen, rise and grind.
And the fact that I could make videos was so much more important to me that I had to spend a few hours a day doing a job that wasn't that prestigious. I really think that money doesn't make you happy. I am just as happy as I am now as I was 5 years ago. I think that's what's cool about YouTube. That anyone could technically do it, right?